Hello, this video is going to show you how to generate Excel reports directly out of Dynamics GP using the built-in SmartList builder. So right underneath your main Microsoft Dynamics GP menu, there's going to be a prompt for SmartList here. This is probably the best way to get the most amount of data out of GP directly. So you have your different categories of transactions available over here on the left-hand side. So if we wanted to pull like a vendor list, we can do so here, expand our purchasing, expand vendors, and then this asterisk right here is just going to be the default report. As you see, there's some other built-in reports here, but if we wanted to pull a vendor report, let's say, we can click on that asterisk and then we'll be able to pull our report. Once we've got this information available here, you can add and customize the columns that you want to include in this report. So you can click columns, and then you can go through, click this add menu, and then this will display all of the available columns that you can have here to add to your report. This list will change depending on the category, but the process will be exactly the same. So if you were running a list of transactions, a list of customers, you can still add custom columns, but obviously those custom columns might be different depending on what category you're looking at here. So if we wanted to add phone 3, let's say, to this report, we can do so. It's now added here. We click OK. It'll refresh. And now we've got our column added to this report. So once you've got your data and your columns that you want available here, you can simply export this out. If you hit this Excel button here, that's going to send this directly out to an Excel spreadsheet that you can then manipulate and use in whatever way you're used to using. You can also print directly from here. So if you just need to get something printed directly from this report, you can print directly from SmartList Builder. But most of the time, you're going to want to export into Excel, and that'll generate a quick Excel file. So you also have the ability to modify these reports to pick what is included in the report itself. So if we click on the search option here, it's going to show us some different options for how we can segment this data further if we want. So if we were looking for particular vendors that were from a state, we can look that up here. Is equal to IL, let's say, and we can click OK. And now that's going to resegment our list based on what we're looking for. So it's an easy way to sort of segment your reports, get exactly what you're looking for. Again, I just picked state because it was an easy example, but you can search and sort based on any one or any combination of things while you're generating these reports to get exactly what you're looking for. But an important thing of note is this SmartList does default to only exporting the first 1,000 rows. So while you're making your export, make sure to change that to a full report if you need all of the data. Otherwise, your reports by default are going to be limited to that first 1,000 rows. So that's just something good for you to know. So hopefully this is helpful. Again, there's a lot of customization and a lot of modification that you can make here based on all the different categories. If you want to get really complicated, you can run some SQL queries to create reports that join two different tables together. So if you're looking at vendors compared to transactions and that sort of thing, you can definitely do that. It's a little beyond the scope of this video, but this tool is really powerful. You can add custom reports and save them to this list. That will allow you to generate recurring reports as well. If you need any info on AP or AR automation solutions for Dynamics GP, us over here at Fidesic, we do specialize in GP, and we do offer a whole host of solutions that can help out with both AP automation and a AR customer portal, so you can accept payments from your customers. We're happy to provide some more info. Just head on over to fidesic.com, and you can learn more about what we do. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks.